Move over, said Taejon. No, you, said Thomas. You move over, said Diesel. No, you, said Connor. No, you stop it, said Thomas. No, you, said Diesel. You stop, said Connor. No, you, said Taejon. We're trying to build a train track, but we keep arguing. Connor, this curvy piece needs to go up there on the train track. No, Connor said, my curvy piece needs to go on the train track. You're both in my way. My straight piece needs to go up there. Get out of the way. A said Diesel. Get out of the way, said Diesel. Diesel said, Connor, my curvy piece of the track needs to go there. No, said Connor, my curvy piece needs to go on the track. It's not, said Diesel. It's too, said Connor. Move over. Thomas said, you're both wrong. My straight piece goes first. There. Perfect, said Thomas. Whoa. Wow. Phew, that was close to Thomas. Thomas said, see, I told you my straight piece needs to go up there first. Let's see how it will hold. Perfect, said Thomas. Whoa. Whoa. My straight piece, said Thomas. My curvy piece. My curvy piece also, said Diesel. My stop track piece for the track. It's no use, said Thomas. If we keep arguing, we'll never finish our train track.